Hi, I just need a table for one.
Okay, right now all the tables are full.
Are you serious?
Yes, so once a family leaves, you can have that table.
Thanks, sis, for taking me out to eat.
You're welcome. Now let's pray.
Okay.
Hey, what are y'all doing? Hurry up and eat, cause I'm waiting for a table to be open. We're praying first.
Praying to who?
God. God doesn't exist. Yes, he does.
Oh, really? Can you see God?
No.
Can you touch God?
No.
You see? Then there's no God.
Don't worry, sis. I got this. Hey, Karen, can you see your brain?
No.
Can you touch your brain?
No.
Well, I guess that means you don't have a brain.